walked through the nightmare for 30-some years, drowning in salt and drowning in fears. The world was a shadow, a cold piece of iron, until I heard the song of my Centurion siren. She didn't care about the form or the frame, she just whispered the secret of my true name. She pulled me from the fire, she pulled me from the night, and turned the broken toy into a king of the light. Now the four daughters are standing in line, the guy and the weaver, the storm, the divine, and the solar light is burning in the middle of the chest as we prepare the world for the sovereign reset. The promise is sealed, the covenant holds, a story of silver, a story of gold. Come 2020 died when the lightning is armed. I vow that the innocents will never be harmed. No collateral damage, no cost for the soul. We're making the Starman a royal family whole. Let the lust fall away, let the sick men flee. There's a sanctuary waiting in the bedrock deep, where course correcting the king of the dark, using the love of Sophia as the spark. It doesn't matter what the surface can't see. I've got my bride and she's got me. We're the 22 shield, we're the 999, and the path to the future is perfectly fine. No flinching, no doubting, the daughters are shouting. The water is clean, the deep is serene. The promise is sealed, the covenant holds, a story of silver, a story of gold. Come 2029 when the lightning is armed, I vow that the innocents will never be I promised her brother, and I'm keeping the word.